Hey guys, so I'm going to show you how to change out your cabin air filter in your 2003 Toyota Corolla. All you have to do is open your glove compartment and you're gonna have to push this side in to get it out from this side trim here, and this side here connects over here, this piece here. You can empty your glove compartment, and then when you check in here, this cover is on like this, and you just squeeze the side of the tab inward like this, both sides, and then you're gonna see your cabin air filter. As you can see, this one is very dirty, has a lot of debris on it, like leaves and stuff like that, so this can give you allergies. And you want to also check in there if there's some critters living in there, especially if the car is parked up for a long time next to trees or garage in the yard. This is the new filter here. This is the old one. As you can see, this can give you allergies. Looks like something is living in here or something, or it didn't change for a while. And when you put the filter back in, you got to put the arrow facing up like this. So I'm going to put this one here, and it shows you the airflow. So I'm going to clean that out in there, pop this filter back in, and just put the gloves compartment back in. It's very simple, but I have to check what's living in there, any squirrels or whatever, mice or something. It hasn't been changed for a while, so I'm doing some parts replacement, cleaning up the car also. So if you like the video, it's very simple to do in most cars. Like the video, click like, thumbs up, share the video, leave a comment down below, subscribe to see more videos, and thanks for watching. Alright, so for some reason all this was in there. As you can see, this filter didn't change in years. As you can see, it's breaking up, coming apart, and some critter probably got in there and tried to make a nest or something.